Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just wanted to share with you a new package that I got in the mail that has the Dragon Child palette and the Pharaoh palette from Menagerie Cosmetics. Now for this video, I will be reviewing the Dragon Child palette. And so just watch as I kind of open this thing up and get ready to use it. So you'll see that on the back there are an ingredient list. And that is what the palette looks like. I'm super excited about using that yellow shimmer called Firefly. And the Pharaoh palette also has the ingredient list on the back, and that's what the palette looks like. If you're interested in seeing that palette, let me know in the comment box. So I'm priming my lids with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade 1, Concealer C1. Now I'm going to go into the shade Wyrm. It's a deep, like, violet purple color. I'm going to apply that throughout my crease. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Stone Drake. I'm going to use that to blend out the edges of Wyrm. I'm going to use some micellar water to clean up the lid space where I'm going to do the cut crease. I'm going to use the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Fair 00 to cut my lid. Now I'm finally going to get to go into that yellow shimmer Firefly. And I started just putting it on top of that white base, but I wasn't really happy with the color payoff that I was getting. So I'm gonna try to use the Marin mixing medium to improve the consistency of it. Now I am going into Sleeping Dragon. It's like a grass green shade. Very pretty. So now I'm just gonna finish up. Alright guys, I am back finally. I feel like I've done a million things since I left. I had to do my hair and the rest of my makeup. And I will leave the details about the rest of my makeup down in the description box. But this is how the look turned out. So I did want to tell you what I ended up doing on this eye to correct some of the stuff that I had done on this eye. I wasn't getting the deepness from this purple shade Wyrm. So what I did was I went in with Smoke 'em Out, which is close enough to black to like deepen I feel like a lot of the colors in the palette. And I also used this shade, this yellow shimmer Firefly. I used a glitter glue on this eye because I wasn't happy with the results I was getting with the mixing medium. So then I went back on this eye. So I really feel like this one does better with a glitter glue. It went down beautifully, in my opinion. So yeah. And also, I just noticed that these shades, they are incredibly pigmented. So even when you think you need more, you should probably go with a little bit less because they really go. They're super pigmented. She was not lying when she said she makes a high quality eyeshadow, and if you've seen other people do reviews on these palettes, you understand what I'm saying. But yeah, gorgeous palette. I am so happy that I got it, but I'm sad to hear that she's discontinuing it. This palette was made when they were still, what was it, Makeup Monsters, and I have some of their lipsticks too. I should have worn that, but maybe I'll come in and show you guys how I look with their shade, their liquid lipstick Hit the Dirt, because I love that shade. Alright guys, for now I will leave you, and I tell you I'm giving it 2 thumbs up. If I decide to make 2 more looks or even 1 more look, then this will be one of the looks. But if not, and this is a standalone look, then at least you know that I'm happy with it. Alright, see you soon.